Discussions and ideas about educational resources. A collaborative hub for creators, educators, parents, and lifelong learners. This space is designed for anyone who believes in the power of learning and wants to shape how others experience it. Whether you're developing full academic courses, designing worksheets, building training programs, or crafting creative teaching tools, this community gives you a place to explore ideas, share insights, and collaborate with others who are passionate about education. Here, conversations go far beyond traditional classrooms. This is a gathering point for teachers looking to refine lessons or discover new approaches, parents seeking tools to support learning at home, students who want to understand how educational resources are created, tutors and mentors building personalized learning materials, business trainers designing professional development programs, ministry leaders creating faith-based teaching tools, homeschool families crafting flexible, engaging curricula, youth leaders and community educators shaping programs for all ages, creators and content designers who want to turn ideas into impactful resources. In this space, you can discuss everything from curriculum design and instructional methods to digital learning tools, printable worksheets, interactive activities, and full-scale educational programs. It's a place to brainstorm, ask questions, share prototypes, and get feedback from people who understand the challenges and joys of teaching. Whether you're building resources for young children, teens, adults, or multi-generational groups, this community supports the entire spectrum of learning. From academic subjects to business training, ministry development, life skills, and creative enrichment, the goal is the same: to help people create meaningful, effective tools that empower learners everywhere. If you're passionate about education, whether you're a seasoned instructor or someone just beginning to create, this is your space to explore, innovate, and bring new ideas to life.